Are you trying to snap an object manually to a curve object in Autodesk Maya? Don't do it like this. Try this quick trick instead. First, make the curve object you want to snap to live. You can do this by clicking the Make Live icon on the status line, which looks like a magnet. Next, select the object you want to snap. Then, go to the main menu, select Mesh, and choose the Conform option. In the Conform options window, it's a good idea to reset the values to ensure a clean operation. Finally, hit the Apply button. And that is how you instantly snap a mesh to a curved surface. It's super fast. Like and follow for more content and time-saving tips like this.